Okay, yeah, mo be aba striker exclusive.
Yeah, do you?
Striker exclusive. Say who tie me amedi here, coach Edu say Tipolo GH. Sisi ase dey corner. Score near 3-1. Kwame Poku abo brace. Abranti afeno, abetamu aso ahyebi. Joseph Eson ekuta ball no. Ba ku mienu abo le tete. Dreams FC formula na ekuta 50 wo. Emmanuel ya ball dankwa, wada na ho ba ku miensa. Wabie so ma Joseph Eson. Joseph Eson say bieso. On ekuta ball no. Eso, wabie ball ni mu. Ba ku mienu mensa. Dreams for ekuta 50. Paper. Asako. Joseph Eson, wabie ball ba ku mienu mensa. Watwe mako. Na so da bi. Every jamna. Joseph Pablo, wajina ball so. Obani tete ama Sakadauda. Sakadauda say jina ball so. Ball wache ball wo huye. Obani tete na so da bi. Ball here throwing. Joseph Eson atone tete. Odi ama Emmanuel ya ball dankwa. Ya ball dankwa sa ball tete di abalachi. Nicolas Rasante. Dreams for the dead do amosa. Izzy Mohammed. Fresh legs and then a substitute Yabam. Dreams for the who's almost because of your manager. I want to take the Acomeso. That's a Piasso Bacumielu. By a cross, yes, a better be a body. Voila, that's what I be. That's his play. I want to take it. Masha Kofi. We'll be able to take it as what I be. Dreams for the push come and impa. Eso na je ball na so kuta ball ba ku mienu mensa obe cross na. Waje ball ni bidiri ye ball dankwa. Wachi ba ku mienu mensa ogusu jira ball no so. Isi Mohammed obasim tete betu e goal na so dabi. Missing the ball by plenty inches. Se wutie me striker exclusive. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3 Dreams FC 1. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3 Dreams FC 1. Mohamed Kamara abobo ni tietia. Odi ama Joseph Ablo, odi ama Patrick Asiedu. Oba echi ba ku mienu. Obola pass. Samba Oneo. 1-2. Sakadala oba tete refi be peya be ye betu na go ana. Na Sudabi. Abrante kwa be ku be so for hat-trick. Refi apeja na the flag no say offside. Ya mo fenti Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Boni mo dendende pa. So who tell me a striker exclusive? What share no one like now subscribe it. Okay, Dreams FC 4 about 30 Joseph Eson. That's what the form. We have your channel bay. I say fridge media mo fenti Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Fridge media mo fenti Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Why never bono? Emmanuel Yabo dankwa. Short pass. Odiama Izzy Mohammed jeja so ba ku mienu miensa. Odiama Jonathan Yamodin. Ode Justice Blay. That's there be. Baba ya jabon so. About the short pass. 18 men waje. Kwamboku wa drop it. Ta. Nice ball. Beautiful possession play by Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sakadauda wachi ba ko there be. Let me see play must continue. Yamo, Etimanu, Waji Sakarada, ta. Wabo so betu na Kwamboku wa lobe pass. That's there be referee offside. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko fire offside Makumaku 8. Kumasi Asante Kotoko offside Makumaku 8. Kwame Poku. I'm so to me try line here not to me break pass no. And also content them sir. Referee ko cooling break. Safe na area to Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Dreams FC. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3 Dreams FC 1. Kwame Poku about 2 goals. Esa so na Abrante Abet Amwa. Ono so a goal. Afena do afile na to a striker exclusive. O share no one like now subscribe it. Say be able to be the more beautiful content abramo. Let me say cooling break. Ya fanyi so na wi ana mbo pa. Temperature na wo so. Referee said James FC for bet me effective changes here. Adams Aminu. Wafim Ama Yaovi Gwede NMM Adams Aminu. Refisi play masquito Nicolas Rasante Odieja Bonso Opia so ba ku mienu miensa Cheba 4 Modin. Odi ama is Zin. Osade baba chiana. Waki wa kumienu odi rum. Baba ya attack no referee baba na ba na. Ose e foul, ye fa akoko sade no. Baba ya. Referee baba ya na ka se obetumi a show the card na. Referee na show the card. Oman the first warning. Oman the first warning. First warning odi ama no. Emmanuel Bodankwa controlling the midfield position. Eso referee play. Oh, referee foul. Samba finish no question and anthem. Referee foul. Yamo for take Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Is a boy ni my me. Kuma But who said Michael Chejamna and Fernando Bassi? Warm up for touchline so one on Babe Yomo. Michael Chejamna warm up for touchline so you also bet me so your playing time. Ebenezer there. Onizi Mohammed Nejna Bonuso. Back me Robert shot na so there be abawano. Justice Nkuku play. Back me enu mesa. Let's Ebenezer there anya. Na madi. Oba tete betwe go ana. Let's obi enu oba connect. Enso to me connect one referee say welcome throw in. Yeah to Frontier Dreams FC. Referee baba changes. Ogabo ache Fernando Bassi ene Michael Chejamna. Wa Isa Kadao the film. Fernando Bassi baba Isa Kadao the film. Fernando Bassi baba Isa Kadao the film. Also wa fa other stance no about the same fans no. Why be on Saba be you know. Aye no my night t-shirt jersey. Baba Yaya. The People's Electric Baba Yaya. Wa free one Michael Chejamna. Also album. And then bad the other office Baba Yaya. Here is the coach Karim Zito. Obetimi ama changes where to me again. Oba solidify the 3 goals as Oba Shebi account. Referee Troki tete Mohamed Kamara obodi ama Henry Kwame Ansu wa pe yana ti ba kumienu akwa echi obon tete kwampo kubetumi ajibona na opembo no esu Chejamna ba kumienu mesa ohanani odeko ebetumi egu ana penalty na so derby. Referee play must continue. Ade Fernando Bassi Ogabo ache waje baako mienu esa Chejamna oba masambo ya kwanchi Patrick Asiedu omu control tempo no eti men oba tete let's Nkuku place obi enya amotre odi ama Henry Ansu ejina ball so otake na so derby obokwa tete Patrick Asiedu baako mienu miesa oza do ablo dia koma Patrick Asiedu Samba Onel Sadi Abanachi Koto kwacho mudi elelo tiki-taka football. Samba Patrick Asiedu odi akoma goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara oba tete Joseph Ablo oba tete Wesuyabi Christian Usuaji Bono wasaba akoma Christian yi Richmond goalkeeper Richmond yi opeya nsaba akumienu miensa. That's what about the short pass. Goalkeeper Bakumienu Mesa Wabasim Tete. That's so. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara Sibo already Kokolele Mame. Wajina bonus. Bakumienu Mesa. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3. Dreams FC 1. Safe na do afile na toa strike exclusive. Ela uti o share no like na subscribe. Mohamed Kamara. Bakumienu Mesa, line breaking pass. Michael Chejamna by Henry Ansu. Justice Blay. Bakumienu Mesa, Chejamna. About tete. That's what I be. Body say, and that's what you want. About tete. What about me, Bibiana? Body who? Henry Ansu. Let's keep us on your today. Adam Saminu, fresh leg album. Jawuti Bidi the typology, you want to be a friend of coach and say, Baba Sports Stadium, you did live commentary, striker exclusive. All I can watch and not subscribe. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, Obasim Bakumienu Mesa, Tete, Ogabo Achibetumi Apresiana, that's what about Tete, Patrick Asiedu, 50-50, or the ball to the Bosso, Adam Saminu, Watane, Yasu Chejamna, Etimanu, Bakumienu, Pejanimu, or the Amasambo, Etimanu, Asada Bola Quachili, Joseph Fablo, Joseph Fablo, Ojinaso, Sambo Neo. Mohamed Kamara, Ojeja Bonusu, Bonese. Samba O'Neal, Tete, Justice Blade, Bakumienu, one more pass, a chance for Kotoko. Hey, but we go on Sudabi. I got watch it, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Fernando Bassi. Ogabuachi. Beautiful play by our Sanders. Fernando Bassi. Ogabuachi. Goal! Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Samba O'Neal. Brilliant play. Line breaking pass no bomber. Justice Ikuku Bleno. And the Junior Corsi Nina. Fernando Bassi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4. Dreams FC 1. FC Use Kumasi Asante Kotoko share 4 goals in the match. And then a good day at the office for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Referee pass, referee play must continue. FC Kotoko players in that page. Dreams FC Bakumi Enumiesa. On the ball they call. Why they put a ball? About it to the Adam Saminu. Ayamano Madin. Joseph Nomadin. About the pass to number 27 Shate Jesse. Nicolas Asante. Odiama. Yaro Isaac Jabanus. Kwame Poku. Tisu Abrana. There should be referee and Twasso. Pony Moe the Dende. 4-1. Dreams FC for the Boboni now. Nesusuna. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tafena Utiemia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4, Dreams FC 1. About the 10 or the Abalet. Or the Maya Rising detective from the deep. Kotoko 4, Dreams FC 1. Tafena Diato striker exclusive. Ocean no one like it, subscribe. Coach, I do say, what's me from Mythology and the live commentary. Right from the Babaya Sports Stadium, Namide Brown. Referee welcome trophy. Yato patia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wana bale kutano. Bakumi Enumiesa. About Tete. Odiama Aminu Isaac. Odiama Izi. Bakumi Enumiesa. Izi. Justice Blade. Wadano. Wana attack. Let me see a treatment. Yambo Fentia Ebisheba for. Let me see a treatment. Yambo Fentia Ebisheba for. Let me see a treatment. Yambo Fentia Ebisheba for. And then do this. Mungamu. Jonathan Demoni. Yaro Isaac. About Tete. Dripsesi. Kwame Poku. Wahodi play. Agabuachi Nako. Esudebi. Referee throwing Yato Fentia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Throwing taking quickly. Bakumi Enumiesa. There's a stadium now. We say Pablo Asiabono. Samba O'Neal, beautiful play by Justice Ikuku Blade. Bakumienu, or the mighty Manu, or the Amateur Jamna, Bakumienu, or the mighty Manu, Bakumienu, or the Samba O'Neal, Manu, control possession of the ball. Beautiful play by Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Justice Blade, or the Amateur Kwame Asu Akibako, or boys Tete, or Gabuachi between the control, or Gabuachi, or the control next to Debbie. Agabuachi to be a control ball. Joy what to Tete or the man. Which one the man Isaac. Or the man Jonathan Demodi. Nicolas Asante Aboboro, Ojeja Bonusu, Bakumi Enumiesa, Emmanuel Bodakwa, drop plane, Bako, about Tete, Area Swadiwano, a team menu, Pampo to our banana, or Gabuachi, that's what I'll be more than a cheap. Bonanqua. Pass now, 1, 2, 3, Joseph Asu. Wait me about one. Dreams FC. Bakumienu. 10 times so Bakumienu. Joseph Pablo Itanosu. Wadana no. Adi Bonama Joseph Asu. Bakumienu. Patrick I said, wait me at China. Bakumienu. That's what there be. What you born him? Eliaba is Tim Mohamed. That's what there be. Dreams FC. Kuchi Asante Kotoko. Nicolas Asante. Emmanuel Bonama shot. That's what there be. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4. Dreams FC 1. C'est où tu es mis à striker exclusive. Au channel like et non subscribe. Bon aba be di Ariansu. Ariansu ade bon. Ade Mohamed Kamara. Kumasi Asante Kotoko de bon ko. Obo sim tete. Eti be nu che jamna. Ade Patrick Asedu. Refi a channel bay. Refi si fa o ya mo party Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Si a fait na wo tie mi a aso for ka tumi a shaba ko be kum Chelsea tumi TV. Heart of Lion 0, Holy Star 0. Karela share Mediama on the field, but so BT relegation battle by all standards. Samatex 1, Vichy FC 0-0. It is a dear corner. And a scoreline a corner. Bakumielu, Wadana home, Joseph Basu. About Tete pass, that's what there be. That's what there be. And the city manu. About Tete Kokoku, what Pejama Ogabuachi, Ogabuachi, Bibiana, Ogabuachi, watch your Bako, watch your rum, Ogabuachi, beautiful dribble, walk across the ball, that's what there be. Ogabuachi, good. About your boss 75 minutes of play. To pack DH. And then was saying, about 75 minutes. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4. Dreams FC 1. They are now between my analysis of our match now.
Yeah, as you can see, both teams are putting massive pass together, searching for a second. You see how Kotoko is playing, he's so dominant. And of course, the last time Kotoko, any Dreams ball, and it was 2-10. Was the first leg. Kotoko had the 2, and I'm Timu Bako. So and when it came to Kotoko and Dreams, Kotoko is always with the upper hand. Obeka the 14th times Amushia. Meaning Kotoko winning. Now, and then on a more serious note, more Kotoko they deserve at this goal bet. As Gabriel Mariano said they can say Sylvia Bewuchale. But we say Kotoko is dominating everywhere. But Dreams FC, and so with be. But the more Bonebo Akagonu, yes.
But the Amobo Akagonu, and I can pack my mind. Utie mi ahead, coach Adusen of the commentary Libra, live commentary from Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Live from the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Live commentary from the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Obi proud fitness one. That was a Pokemon to share you. And you're more German there. The more the emotion here. She pa. Referee changes. Abdulrazak Salifu free. I'm a Richmond Tete. Ababa Shana 9. Abdulrazak Salifu. Every man a Richmond Tete. Ababa Shana 9. Sambo Onyo. Onyama Justice Ikukuble. Every Sheba for Awuchi. Wajema. Samba about the Tete. That's what I be. Wagabuachi. Beautiful play. Bako. Fernando Bassi. Wajiboro. Ablo. Onyama. Patrick Asedu. Obi a cheche sa for the sandwich. Eso press ball. About Tete. Harry Kwame Asu. What about community mensa? Wajemu. Justice Blade. Odiama. Every city man. What about me? Juana. That's where I be. Harry Asu. Beautiful pass. Also be a Yamatre. Harry Kwame Asu. Beautiful play by all standards. Joseph Kukuble. About Tete. Change them now. About Paso. Kwame Poku. Banasai. Refi see there. That's where I be. Magnificent play. Fabulous. Na ni jene ba. Unya go sound the first no. Christian Osu. About the marriage Moayi. Paper. 27 years old. Nicolas Asante. Nicolas Asante Odema is Mohamed. Adanaho. About TTT. Yamadi Joseph, Bakumiru, Yamadi Joseph, and then Yamadi about it. Why bet me, Patrick? I see you cannot cross. Patrick, I said, why you by the floor? By the form. But the this position. But they might dreams FC. 1, 2, 3. Richmond Tete, about 27 years in Nicola Asante. The Asante, the Yama is Zim Mohamed. Is Zim Mohamed about the Tete, Etrana, Bapotro Bono, Fernando Bassi, where you have the Jamako. You say, what's where Bibiana, what's Nabaso. That should everybody say. Say they would team and striker exclusive. Comment tu me débattre pour le dieu. Bakumienu, Etimienu, Waba Pampoku Bayi, Pampoku Ajam Tete, Oban Fast, Joseph, Ekuku, Justice Blade, National FCA Troy. FCA Troy, ya to fight ya. Justice Blade, Attention, Pampoku Jambanaso, Adama Cheba 4, 1, 2, 3, over pass, Pampoku, between for the Africana, Pampoku, 1, 2, 3, Pampoku, 1, 2, 3. Justice Blade, Bakumienu, Obasim Tete, that's what I be. But they say, I got watch it. Fernando Bassi, Waje Bono Mama Samba O'Neill, Samba, Waje Bono, Patrick Asedu, Adiama Chejamna, Wayama Fabella Soyabi, Rapid foul. Bade Wupa 20 yards away from the goalpost. But I convert me a converter, I'm a 5 for now. Maybe I bought it a day, Wupa. So, I will tell me I striker exclusive. One says something called 5-4. Dreams FC 1. Scoreline said the Tiana and the 81 minutes near ball. Bekum Chelsea 0. House of Folk Ashabako. Holy Star 0. Out of Lions to be Sherry. Ayala United about 3. Mediama Shabako. Samates 1. Bechem United 0. Vichy 0. Young Apostles to me Mobi. Says we have 21 in area. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4. C'est Sunday stand. Patrick Asedu Jabolachi. Ani che jamla Jabolachi. Harry Ansu Jabolachi. Refi Ashana ba Bakumienu Patrick Asedu. Opiasu. Ebo! That's Nabi. Oh! Missing the ball by Ichi. Richmond. Eka kitu abi ko chebo. Eka kiti bi ko chebo. Eka kiti bi ko ba chebo. Domina display. Ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. FBC kona kick ya mafenti ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Patrick Asedu. Abeya ne Samuel Okosoro. Bakumienu miesa. Obasi mutete. Ebetwe gwana. That's Dabi. Body down. Body say. Harry Ansu. Ade Abalachi. Ke yamla. About shot. That's so Dabi. That's so Dabi. Vichy ego. C'est où t'es bien? Vichy FC. Don't refresh it. Serie A teno. Baba era 4. Kologo Asha 4. 85 minutes of play. Harry Ansu. Finaba. Harry Ansu. About Tete, Jayamna, as is Zim Mohamed, Wajamu Tete, or the man number 15 shot, yes, Jabu Adankwa, or the Aminu Adams, 1, 2, 3, Papa, Dream Sepsis, every stage Amna, or the Banache, or the mighty Manu, Sambo now, or Basim Tete, low pass, or the Amaha, Fernando Bass, Wakiba Kubiru, Ogabach, Patrick Asedu. Adi aba on match. Joseph Pablo. Ablo. Odiama Henry Ansu about tete. Justice Kukuble. Wapiaso Bakumelu. Obasim tete. No offside. Pampoku Yabono. Or control Bono Bakumelu. Wakiba Koja Bonso. Pampoku. Or the Bona Barachi. Itimanu. Justice Bia Kobono Sunasudabi. Richmond Tete the wire. Why the pressing ball? I will tell the pressing ball ball. That's to Debbie. Pressure on the so above in out watching. Yaro Isaac. Justice Blaze. Pampoku Yama Justice Blaze. Teta. Pampoku. Every chamber for. Let me. Don't tell nobody referee. I shall be say foul. Yeah, my friend, dream test. Yeah, Isaac. And then the move one line. You say the boy Adams. What you born? What the man is Zim Mohammed. Zim Mohammed about him tete. Bon, I said Nicolas, the Jambon. Opiepem. What about tete Joseph Asu? That's what that be. Harry Ansu. Nice control from Harry Ansu. Harry Kwame Ansu. That's that be Joseph Asu. Harry Ansu. Nice. Justice Bay on the Bonache. About tete. Richmond tete. About shot. That's what that be. Mohamed Kamara, Mohamed Kamara, beautiful display. Samba O'Neal. Obasim tete na Sudabi. Obiano, Yaro Isaac. We control Bono. Bakumienu. Obasim tete. That's Samba O'Neal. Wapin Bono. Let's see a welcome throwing. Yeah, confetti a commencé à s'entendre. What about tete? That's the Diablo Simé any a million. Abro de Jeja Bonasu. Refi a peja, I say a foul. Refi say a foul. Yeah, more confetti a commencé à s'entendre. I say a foul. Yeah, more confetti a Dreams FC. Ça fait na Otienia. Ya boy 8 minutes. Vishna Shabako, Ewan is in the stadium. Koroko 4. Dreams FC 1. Patrick Asiedu. Abaya Chiba Komi Enimesa. Obasim tete. Chejamna. Obetia Bibi. Ataro. Obetia Guana. That's what I be. Which my Obasim tete. Just play. Wahi. Why Dreams FC. Obetia Tiana. Eso. Davis play must continue. Fernando Bassi. Obiebie no Makasa. Chejamna, Ojeja Bonaso, Ojama, Fernando Bassi, Oko, referee. Referee say foul, Yama Fatia commence à s'en reconnaître. A Fernando Filho na tua, strike exclusive. O share não, like, não, subscribe, não, comentar. O Basim, Harry Ansu, a Vanessa, referee de foul. O touchline as well. Lord Amoa, Isaka Abdul, the youngster, Koroko Yusuf, Chejamna. Play. About tete na so that be. A team I dispossess. Oje Jabano so. Baku. Referee play mascot here. Justice play. Kwame Poku with a brace. Isaka Abdo have a ball. Kwame Poku. Isaka Abdo Baba Shanana. Kwame Poku. 2 goals for Kwame Poku and our free. Justice Blair free. Elola Moa. Ababa Jibon. Or the captain Ahmad Nama. Samba Ngobani. O'Neil. Gibani O'Neil and Dongani Samba. 90 minutes Nina so referee and Simanum. Simanum Fatoso. Lola Moa. Ojina Banaso. Referee lights man in the cover back Kumieru. So that's all the ball I got. Hey, Kwame Asu. About Tete Isaka Blue. Nice control. Isaac da from Isaac da from goalkeeper Richmond aí. Kwa bala chiba kumye ni miasa. Kwa tetetia Nicolas Asante aje. Kwa bala nechi. Everything I foul. Loda Moa, Wajebon Tete, Waterfall, Samba O'Neil, Odiama, Fernando Alonso, Oba Tete, Isaka Abdo, Jabonso, Wapiaso, Bakumienu, Papembano, Fernando Alonso, Revis play must continue. Dreams FC, Oba Tete, offside now, Jose Fabro, Referee pay the flag. Offside. Afenaria to a strike exclusive. Strike exclusive. Kumasa sana kwa 4. Dreams FC 1. We are now share no like no subscribe. Now have a family coach to say. But me follow it Polo GH on all socials. 5 minutes area to so. Mohamed Kamara, Ababane Tete, as a change amna. Isaka Abdo, Ababane Tete, Lord Amoa. That's what I be on the bonus side. Lord Amoa. Adiama Cheba for. Back on change amna. Lord Amoa, the jumper so. Lord Amoa. Heavy house. About Tete, change amna. It's in bad water form. That's what sorry. Lodama, Odiama Sambo O'Neil. Nice, beautiful play. Tiki-taka play. Supporters Daniel. What's the ball? Tupac. 19 kwa yeye. Akabe 3 minutes there kwa. Yana upa game now.
Yes, game ready and one seriously for us and took of course. Amadi Bosu and me well, coach second substitution coach Liara of course. Let's back us I don't know about Santikoro. And now we are Omo Made boy Akoso and of course the especially said more goals. But Dreams have seen still about the blame yes, I will track.
Nigeria Messi, shot, that should have been. Fernando Bassi, what a strike. Rich Mayo, Achabano, Ekwapanaki. As you can see, what was the Miami? That's the derby. Someone else, referee. Okitete, batete, atala damwa baba tona, nemoji. Referee. Referee Salam bless. Odi akasi ni nyina bana wiye. Odi game ni nyina bana wiye. Kumaza sana got 4. Dreams FC 1. Kumaza sana got 4. Dreams FC 1. Striker exclusive. I am Mosofu. Coach Eddie said I'm going to comment to you now, Bramo. If you know what share, no like, you know, subscribe it. Let me show you as what you need. Tupac DH. I'm not telling you if you're finding now, but I'm here.
Yes, we have nothing to say that. We say congratulations to Asante Kotoko. And of course, Karim Zito, Chelsea Jumaro Wetzmaye. And when I'm going for Kasa Jumani, former as head coach, you know. You could see, yes, he make the difference. And Chelsea is Karim Zito. Kudos to Asante Kotoko. And of course, Kasa Dreams FC. Omunko Firo, Omunko Yamunyamaye. Yeah, the rate back, I don't know.
Okay. Era se Tupac DH, je suis Omunko Firo, Yamunyamaye. So what? Yeah, striker exclusive. Comment ça va encore 4 Dreams FC 1. On m'a dit que c'est pas un comme beaucoup chez nous. Fernando Bassi, Bako, and Abetamwa. Ezodi last goal no. Et what now?
Yes, I know you're tropical GH out here in Kasa on the live comment now. Yes, we did it to pack Amari Sako. And I finished a cameraman here for G and Yamama Kamerua. Yes, and the Ghana Premier League with 31 and Santiago Continental Fiesta 9. I'm a team of Dreams FC. I had a Bako, Jordan and Sotiana Belma Kwai. Now the Jordan Yatima Sisa Sampanisa Kwana was a one. Yes, near the Ecosuan Pitri, Abuano so cry. And Takareta from yes, Robbie Piace. Where striker exclusive as continuous continue baby. Obeshe say Brad 38 Ghana Premier League so. Now the live comment is what from out. Anna Belma Kwamerisi, yes, it will be a say. And you know, and